We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from fashion and design that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about those. So she is French originally, so for reference, her name in French is said as Monique Lhuillier. 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 Monique Lhuillier. Now, because this is very hard to pronounce for English speakers, her name in English is generally said as Monique Lhuillier. Monique Lhuillier. But her French name is Monique Lhuillier. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. More videos here for you on how to pronounce more interesting names that many struggle to say correctly. You won't anymore after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci.